Right now, as you read this, your liver is suffocating under a mountain of waste it was never designed to carry alone. And the terrifying part? You've been feeling the consequences every single day without ever knowing the real cause. That exhaustion you can't shake no matter how much you sleep, that's your liver crying for help. That stubborn belly fat that refuses to move no matter how clean you eat, that's your liver sending you a signal you've been ignoring. That brain fog that makes you feel like you're thinking through wet concrete, that's your liver failing to clear the chemical waste flooding your bloodstream. That dull, tired skin that no cream or serum can seem to fix, that's your liver pushing toxins out through the only exit it has left. You are not lazy. You are not broken. You are not getting old before your time. Your liver is buried, and until you dig it out, nothing you try will ever fully work. Let me ask you something that might stop you in your tracks. When was the last morning you woke up feeling genuinely, deeply rested? Not just I survived the night rested, but truly restored. When was the last time you looked in the mirror and actually liked what you saw? Clear skin, flat belly, bright eyes. When was the last time you had real, sustained energy from morning until night without reaching for coffee, sugar, or anything else just to keep moving? If you're struggling to remember, that tells you everything you need to know, because those aren't signs of aging, and they are not signs of weakness. They are the exact symptoms of a liver that is completely overwhelmed. Here is what most doctors will never tell you in a 15-minute appointment. Your liver is not just an organ, it is the command center of your entire biological existence. Every single minute, it filters 1.5 liters of blood, scrubbing it clean before sending it back into circulation. It performs over 500 distinct biochemical functions daily, managing your energy, your fat, your hormones, your immunity, and your brain chemistry simultaneously. It produces the bile your body needs to break down fat and absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. It regulates your blood sugar while you sleep so you don't wake up shaking and crashing at 3 in the morning. It activates your thyroid hormones, which means a congested liver directly causes the symptoms of low thyroid, even when your thyroid itself is perfectly healthy. It clears used estrogen and testosterone from your bloodstream, and when it can't keep up, those hormones accumulate and turn your body chemistry into chaos. It neutralizes every drug, every chemical, every pesticide residue, every artificial additive that enters your body through food, water, or air. It does all of this every hour of every day, and it never gets a vacation. And for most people, it never gets any real support. Now here is what 20 pounds of liver waste actually means, because this is the part that changes everything. It is not a literal pile sitting inside you. It is the accumulated toxic burden that builds up invisibly over years and decades of modern living. It is fat deposits that have settled inside liver cells, slowly replacing healthy tissue with dead weight. It is inflammatory waste trapped deep inside liver tissue, keeping your entire body locked in a state of low-grade chronic inflammation. It is bile that has thickened into sludge inside your bile ducts, slowing digestion and allowing toxins to back up like a clogged drain. It is damaged liver cells that have never been cleared, acting as dead weight that your liver has to work around every single day. It is the chemical residue from decades of processed food, alcohol, medications, stress hormones, and environmental toxins that your liver was never fully able to neutralize and eliminate. This is not a theory. This is measurable,
documentable, and for tens of millions of people, it is happening silently right now. When your liver reaches this level of congestion, the effects don't stay contained. They spread to every corner of your body like dominoes falling in slow motion. Your energy collapses because your liver is supposed to regulate blood sugar and produce energy molecules overnight, and when it can't do that job, you wake up already running on empty. Your belly stays bloated and puffed because a sluggish liver produces less bile. Fat ferments instead of digesting, and gas builds up in your gut every single day, regardless of what you eat. Your weight refuses to move because your liver is the organ that controls fat metabolism, and a sluggish liver simply cannot process fat efficiently, so your body stores it instead, especially around your midsection. Your skin breaks out or turns dull and gray because the toxins your liver should be eliminating are being rerouted through your skin as a last resort exit. Your brain feels slow and foggy because your liver processes the chemical building blocks of every neurotransmitter in your brain, and when that process breaks down, your mental clarity goes with it. Your hormones feel completely out of control, worse PMS, lower libido, disrupted sleep, rising anxiety, because your liver cannot clear the used hormones accumulating in your blood. Now let's talk about how your liver got here, because none of this happened overnight. Ultra-processed food is the single greatest enemy your liver faces in modern life, and the average person gets over 60% of their daily calories from packaged, fast, and processed foods loaded with artificial preservatives, synthetic dyes, emulsifiers, and chemical flavor enhancers that each require liver processing to neutralize. Refined sugar and high fructose corn syrup are the direct fuel for fatty liver disease because fructose can only be metabolized in the liver, and when it arrives faster than the liver can process it, the overflow is converted directly into fat and stored inside liver cells. Raw garlic, crushed and allowed to sit for 10 minutes before eating, activates allicin, a compound that directly stimulates liver detox enzymes, while also supplying selenium, which is essential for producing glutathione, your liver's most powerful internal antioxidant. Turmeric with black pepper is backed by some of the most impressive clinical research of any natural liver compound. Curcumin has been shown in randomized trials to reduce liver fat, lower inflammation markers, prevent scarring, and help reverse early-stage fatty liver disease, with one study showing a 79% reduction in liver fat in just 8 weeks. Milk thistle is the most studied herbal supplement for liver health in the world. Its active compound, silmarian, protects liver cells from toxin damage, stimulates new liver cell growth, reduces inflammation, and improves bile flow. And 200 to 400 milligrams daily of a standardized extract is the dose most supported by science. Green tea contains EGCG, a catechin compound consistently shown to reduce liver fat accumulation, lower liver inflammation, and improve insulin sensitivity inside liver tissue. 2 to 3 cups daily brewed at 175 degrees rather than boiling water to preserve the active compounds. Intermittent fasting is one of the most powerful liver tools available to you, and it costs absolutely nothing. When you stop eating for 14 to 16 hours, your liver shifts out of processing mode and into deep repair, activating autophagy, burning stored liver fat, and clearing the inflammatory debris that has been building up inside liver tissue. A simple 16 to 8 schedule, eating within an 8-hour window and fasting the remaining 16 hours, including overnight, done 5 days a week, produces visible and measurable reductions in liver fat within 30 days. Exercise is not optional. It is direct liver medicine with a dose-response relationship that science has confirmed repeatedly. 30 minutes of moderate aerobic exercise 5 days a week reduces liver fat by 20 to 30% within 12 weeks, independent of any dietary change. because aerobic exercise directly burns fat stored inside liver cells. You do not need a gym membership or an intense program. A brisk 30-minute walk every day is enough to produce significant, measurable liver healing. Sleep is the recovery window your liver depends on more than any supplement you will ever buy. Get to bed before 11 p.m. so your liver can complete its overnight repair cycle without interruption, because the repair window is biological and does not shift to accommodate a late schedule. Sleep in complete darkness, because melatonin, suppressed by even small amounts of light, is also one of your liver's most powerful internal antioxidants. Stop eating at least 2 to 3 hours before bed so your liver can switch from processing mode into repair mode at the moment it needs to most. Stress management is not a luxury, it is a direct physiological intervention for your liver's survival.
10 minutes of diaphragmatic breathing every morning measurably lowers cortisol before your day even begins. Time spent in nature reduces systemic inflammation through mechanisms science is still working to fully understand. Limiting news and social media keeps your nervous system from staying locked in a chronic stress response that floods your liver with cortisol hour after hour. Here is exactly what your healing timeline looks like when you commit to this. In weeks 1 and 2, your energy improves, your bloating reduces, and your sleep quality begins to deepen. Between weeks 2 and 4, your skin starts to clear, your brain fog begins to lift, and belly fat starts to visibly shift. Between weeks 4 and 8, liver fat measurably decreases, liver enzyme levels begin to normalize, and hormonal symptoms start to improve. Between 2 and 6 months of consistent effort, people consistently report feeling better than they have in years, because when your liver is clean and fully functional, your metabolism, your immunity, your hormones, your digestion, and your energy all improve together at the same time. Your liver has been working for you every single minute of your entire life. It has filtered everything you have ever eaten, drunk, or breathed without ever asking you for anything in return. It has protected you from thousands of toxins you never even knew you were exposed to, quietly absorbing damage so the rest of your body could function. It deserves your attention, and the extraordinary truth is that it still has the power to fully recover if you simply give it the chance. Remove the burdens, hydrate deeply, eat the foods that heal, sleep before midnight, move your body every day, breathe through the stress. Give your liver 30 days of real, intentional support, and your body on the other side will not be recognizable to the person reading these words right now. Your liver is ready to heal. The only question is whether you are ready to let it.